Hey guys, welcome to Smoothie Pit Stop, where smoothies meet a fit and healthy lifestyle. I'm Oba King and I am thrilled to kick things off with a burst of tropical flavor. Let's dive into one of my favorite recipes, the Tropical Glow Smoothie. This Tropical Glow Smoothie is super easy to make, bursting with tropical flavors and loaded with vitamins to keep you energized and glowing all day. A little side note, I like to use ripe bananas when I'm making smoothies. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm busy picking a ripe banana. Am I the only one, or do you prefer to use fresh bananas when you're doing smoothies? Let me know in the comments. First, I add 1 cup of mangoes, the star of our smoothie. Then I toss in pineapple for that signature tropical taste. Next, add 1 banana for creaminess and natural sweetness. For the liquid base, we are using 1 cup of coconut water, which is super hydrating, but feel free to swap it with almond milk if you prefer a creamier texture. You can squeeze in the juice of half a lime if you want that zesty kick. Blend it all together until it's smooth and creamy. Now look at that beautiful, vibrant color. This is sunshine in a glass. I'd love to know, what's your favorite tropical fruit? Let me know in the comments. If you're loving this recipe, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for weekly smoothies and fitness inspiration. Bye.